assets. Pension and 401k. Do not use pension or 401k to pay down your debt. Don't do it. Don't draw down your pension, incurring penalties and taxable income. Don't even think about it. Don't sell your injury annuity to some "it's my cash and I want it now" outfit. If you have paid in full real estate or vehicles, that may eliminate Chapter 7 as an option in most cases, but not all. Ask your attorney. Paid in full vehicles and houses sometimes limit your options. Can you turn either of these assets into cash and pay off your debt? How about cash and other assets? If you're sitting on enough assets to pay your debt, you may want to do that. Otherwise, you'll need an attorney's advice on Chapter 7 or 13 options. Usually, if you're sitting on a lot of assets in cash, you won't want to do a bankruptcy case. Number 1. What do you do? Here are some non-bankruptcy alternatives. Don't borrow anymore. Reduce your living expenses for entertainment, phone, cable, etc. Pay down your debt yourself. If you have some cash, pay off biggest debts first. You can offer a settlement, but you'd have to have at least 60% to make a one-time settlement, and you'll have to pay tax on forgiven debts. Don't go to a debt settlement or debt resolution service. They are mostly fraud schemes taking upfront fees of thousands. They rarely settle anything. They disappear with your money. When you get sued, you have to seek bankruptcy protection anyway. Do it yourself if you want to settle with creditors. Credit counseling is an alternative. If you just can't budget, you have enough money to pay your bills anyway, get free advice from a licensed credit counselor. But again, don't fall for these debt settlement or debt negotiation schemes from the internet. Keep in mind that credit counseling is usually limited to either helping you form a budget. It only deals with credit cards generally and medical bills sometimes. It won't stop lawsuits. And if you don't have enough income to cure mortgage arrears and pay vehicles, there's no excess to engage in any other repayment plan or other debts. There's no sense to going to credit counseling. You could liquidate assets if you have any assets above. Consider whether liquidating them will solve your problem. But if you don't have equity in anything, and if it won't solve your problem, get advice on Chapter 7 or 13 to protect your assets, keep them, and eliminate debt. Again, don't liquidate your pension or 401k or make loans against them. And why your 401k can't be attached by creditors. If it's a non-ERISA plan, it is another circumstance. Leave these for your retirement. Don't liquidate them.